everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Wonderland effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, if you wanna add a Wonderland effect, you just click on the effect at the bottom. This one. Click on it and then click on a video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see on nature. This one, click on it, and then in here you can see is Wonderland effect, so you just click on it and click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom, this one. You can adjust the speed and the background animation like this, and like this. This is the original video like this, but if you wanna add Wonderland effect, so like this. And then after this you can click check icon on here. Now set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add Wonderland effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.